Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into some super useful operations in NumPy: sorting, splitting, and concatenation of arrays. These are essential tools for anyone working in data science or data analysis because they let you organize, break apart, and join data efficiently, all inside Python. We'll go through everything step by step with examples, so even if you're just starting out, you can follow along easily. Let's jump right in. np.sort function sorts the elements of an array in ascending order. It returns a sorted copy, leaving the original array unchanged. This splits the array into equal parts. For 1D array, it breaks it into the specified number of subarrays. For 2D array, it splits across the first axis by default. np.concat joins two or more arrays along an existing axis. If we don't specify the axis, it flattens them along axis 0. np.vstack. It is a function that stacks array vertically, meaning it puts one on the top of the other as a new row. And np.dstack, it stacks the array in depth, creating a 3D result where each pair of element forms a new depth slice. This joins 2D array along the second axis, essentially merging columns side by side. And that's the end of today's tutorial on sorting, splitting, and concatenating arrays in NumPy. I hope you now feel more confident working with these array operations. They are super important when handling real-world data. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Python and data science content, and leave a comment if you want me to cover any specific topic next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see